Hi friends, welcome to my channel. We have eaten ivy gourd with potatoes, plain ivy gourd sabzi, that is ivy gourd is kundri friends. So plain sabzi तो हम लोगों ने खाई है, but today I have prepared this with chicken and kundri, chicken and ivy gourd recipe. Quick and easy recipe friends. Let's have a look at the ingredients. Ingredients required to prepare ivy gourd, which is known as kundri or kundru, and chicken recipe are 250 grams of ivy gourd, that is kundri, we call it in Hindi, and many people call it kundru also. We have to cut them. One ivy gourd, we divide them into 4 pieces like this, half and then again half of that. 200 grams of boneless chicken cut into long pieces like this, long strips. One medium-sized onion, just slice them. 2 dried red chilies. 1 big tomato, roughly chopped. In dry spices, I have taken coriander powder, half a teaspoon, which is also known as dhania powder. Cumin powder, half a teaspoon, which is jeera powder. Garam masala powder, 1/4 teaspoon. Kashmiri red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon, and a pinch of turmeric powder, which is haldi. We are going to add salt as per our taste, and I am going to prepare my recipe in mustard oil. This will give a very nice flavor friends. So let's start cooking now. So I have taken a karhai. Now I will add 2 tablespoons of oil in the karhai and heat this oil. Once the oil is heated, as you can see, the smoke is coming out. I will add the onion and the dried red chili. Just saute it for a minute. After sauteing it for a minute, I will add the chicken. And now I will saute this chicken also over high flame for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes of cooking the chicken, you can see it has changed its color. Now I am going to add the ivy gourd, that is the kundri. The tomatoes. And mix everything together. Now we will add the dry spices. salt as per our taste. Now we'll mix everything together. Sorry. After mixing everything properly, as you can see, it's nicely mixed. We are going to put this into medium high, reduce the flame, and cover this and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Let's remove the lid and check. Yes. Now let's saute it. As you can see, the spices have nicely blended with the ivy gourd and the chicken. Tomatoes are almost cooked. Now we are going to cook this till our recipe is done over high flame and without the lid. We are not going to cover this. So friends, here is our ivy gourd and chicken ready. This takes nearly 5 to 6 minutes and it's ready. So let's put off the flame and transfer it to the serving bowl. Friends, here is our yummy Kundri chicken ready. I hope you liked my recipe, friends. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, friends. Bye.